The Mysore Zoo was started in 1892 by His Highness the Maharaja of Mysore, Sri CHAMARAJENDRA. Initially, the zoo was started in a 10-acre plot, and later on, today, it has a vast expanse of more than 250 acres of land. This is the bust of His Highness Maharaja CHAMARAJENDRA of the Mysore royal family. He was the person who established Mysore Zoo, and hence it is named after him. So now let us take a tour of the bird enclosures. These are the stocks. They have huge wings and they make a lot of sound when they fly. This is the Sarus screen. We have one more here, standing on one leg. The great Indian hornbill, and the chirping of the birds here is filling the whole atmosphere. And here is the beautiful peacock. This is the lucre palm tree. And these are a pair of scarlet macaw. These are the blue gold macaw. Blue gold macaw. And this is the military macaw. Military macaw. Please notice it has hues of green, and probably that is the reason it has been named the military macaw. So these are the dusky lories. Look at the pink feathers. There's a close-up of the big one. The white pelican. Here we have the big ones, the grey and the white. These are the emus, one of the biggest in the bird kingdom. The emu egg is very valuable, and I have heard it is very proteinous also. This is the souvenir shop at the zoo. We see a lot of stuffed toys here. Let us now enter the snake section. Here are the snakes with shiny skin gliding down. Here we see some green snakes intertwined. the huge python. Look at the patterns on its body. Looks scary. This one is trying to get out of the enclosure. The skin of this snake resembles a cluster apple. Look at the eyes of the snake. Here is a black king cobra, one of the most poisonous snakes. Look at the way it is gliding through. And this is the giant anaconda. This is a look of the snake enclosures. And here we have the crocodiles. And this is a huge one. It's lying down like a rock. Look at these, they're really huge, and there are two of them here. A gigantic crocodile wading through the water. Another big one. The Mysore Zoo not only houses the animals, but there are also a lot of trees. Some trees are as old as the zoo itself. Remember, the zoo was started in 1892. Hope you have all enjoyed the tour of Mysore Zoo. It is world famous. It attracts lakhs and millions of visitors every year. Please do like, share and subscribe to Suvarna's Hobby World. This is Suvarna Keshav signing off. Bye-bye.